your group, you did mention mice. That's a little different because they're all so corporate, they're all so ready. We think they are ready. So you need to tell me, are these women who are so-called corporates ready for a proper tour? Or are they still stressed about small things like, is my room going to be safe? Am I going to get the right place on the aircraft? Is there going to be a not happening man sitting next to me? So if you can bring out the safety and security element of travel product for a woman.
Sure. Okay, when you say mice, it's not necessarily be women always, but we do handle or service ad hoc groups where it is all women group. And when I say it depends on the age groups, and mostly it's it's a club or the friends going together. We have this, I would definitely want to mention about this group, which we've been handling for the last, I would say 12 years, because I've been here for more than 12 years. And ever since I've been there, and I know about this group, they are a group of 15 ladies. And mind you, they're not 20 and 25 years old, they're 50 plus. And they're very adventurous. When we talk about safety, we think twice before going to a place. Now, when we say daring to go somewhere, doesn't mean that whether it is adventurous, it needs to be to explore the world, explore new things in life. They have been to Brazil during the carnival time. They've been to New Zealand doing, skydiving. They've been doing hot air ballooning in Cappadocia. And for them, it's not the price, it's the quality. And which means we need to be 24/7 ready. Any calls, obviously we are there, because definitely they would be demanding. They are very elite. They want the top of the line product. They would go for shows like Veena had mentioned. It's not that the shows are meant for a men's world. As ladies also, we have the rights to enjoy. Okay, so they would also go and explore all these, I would say, entertainment. They would be going to the specialty restaurants, the fine dining restaurants. And this is where, because of this type of clientele, we do our research accordingly. Okay. And yes, when it comes to safety part, sure, we need to design the products, we need to do research accordingly. And while doing so, since you said about safety and security, being all women, they obviously would want to be taken care of, and the tour managers also needs to be a lady when they can be more comfortable with from here. The airlines should be done in such a manner that the VRs can be avoided for sure. Hotels in the best of the locations, so that accessibility is not. So for example, when you go to Johannesburg, we would try to put people in the Sandton area. Everyone knows that, and avoid the downtown area. So locality is one, location is one most important point. For these groups, how do we engage them? We also need to take care of what would interest them. Because they have been with us for the last 12 years, we know their requirements, what would interest them. So accordingly, when they went to Brazil, we said that you must go for the samba classes. So these 55-year-old ladies were enjoying to the samba, courses. They also would want to go for those spas and, just pamper them. So yes, security is definitely concerned, where everywhere, even in India, if you say, we need to be a smart traveler. If we just keep on hanging around our cameras or jewelry, you will definitely be marked. So you need to be a smart traveler. These are the things by which we can actually design our products and ensure that everyone gets a good time.